Hey, what's going on, you guys? It's Desmond here, back with another video. Today's video is going to be just a quick walk around of what I've done to my car, to my 2018 Sonata. This is the Sport model. There we go. Hopefully you guys can hear me. They're flying jets today. But yeah, I'm just going to do a quick walk around. We'll start off with the obvious, the rims. These are technically stock rims from a, I believe it's a Mazda 6. And I got these used for $100, all four of them. The tires are just kind of cheap Amazon tires that I wasn't sure if I was going to keep the rims or not. I wasn't sure how they're going to look. But yeah, they're just cheap Amazon tires. If I can find them, I'll drop a link below. The tires are only about $65 each. Yeah, like I said, they're pretty cheap. But we're gonna go up here to the little shark gill panel here, the louvers. Got these on eBay, shipped from either South Korea or China. I can't remember where, but these actually don't fit, so I had to actually cut this down right here. But when you get them, if you do order them, they come out right here. But way out here, and they actually fit right about here. It was really big. But yeah, I ended up cutting it down, like I said, right around here to get it fit. You can cut it with scissors. Just a good pair of scissors should do it if you do order them. If I can find them, I'll drop a link below with everything else. Now up top here is window spoiler. This is just a rubber one. It comes in when they sent it to me. It was kind of just rolled in a package, and yeah, it was rolled in the package. So you have to let it sit for a couple hours, or maybe a day, just so it can unroll itself. But yeah, it looks pretty good. I like it. And then back here, I have the trunk spoiler, little lip. At the time when I bought this, they didn't have the duckbill spoilers or the lip for the Sonatas, but now they do. This one was only $60 or $80, but the duckbill ones are about $200. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I like how it looks. I like the contrast, the black on the lakeside blue is what I got. Yeah. And then back here, I made another video about the taillights. Yeah, the taillights I got for I think it was $350 or $375. But yeah, I absolutely love these. You can click on the little card to see what they look like at night and in the daytime too. So the taillights actually don't come with the chrome on the top up here. These I actually bought afterwards too. It just comes like with the regular Sonatas, the stock has that little chrome at the bottom, but you can get the little chrome. I guess I don't know what it's called really, just a chrome lip or whatever. You can get this and it will fit the stock tail lights. But I just put it on the dark ones, and it looks pretty good. I also kind of plastic dipped the emblem, the lettering. I know a lot of people take the Sonata badging off, but I think it's too much trunk for me. But yeah, plastic dipped the matte black, and then the what is that? I can't remember what it's called. It's like a chrome or a matte black with the, what is it called, metal fire, or not glossifier, but it's the metal one. Makes it look like, it's like gunmetal, pretty much. It's pretty bright today. It's usually a lot darker looking. It looks like just like the chrome lettering, like usual. Yeah, I just taped it off, classy dipped it, and called it a day. Like I was saying, it was just a little too much trunk for me. I like how it looks like the Sonata font. And then the not tail lights, but the license plate, little tinted cover for it. Just going smoked out. Oh, the tips. So these are 3-inch muffler tips. They are a little loud, a little drony, but I get used to it. It's not like horrible. It's just louder than what the Sonata obviously is. Looks really good. It's got the neochrome tips. Kind of matches the car. Check that out there. Then there's just another side view of the shark gill. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right, louvers or louvers. You know what they are, you know what I mean. But yeah, I like that and get a lot of attention from it. It's not real carbon fiber. I mean, it has like a texture to it, but it does the job. I like how it looks. It's something unique. I haven't seen any other Sonatas out there with it, mainly because they're hard to get. And it took about 4 weeks to get here. And it took 4 weeks and it didn't even fit. So I want to say I suggest it, but don't suggest it at the same time. I mean, if you want to wait the 4 weeks and do a little cutting, go for it. Then of course the window tints, just a smoky gray. I didn't want to go pitch black. Let me pop the hood here. Oh, before we even pop the hood, the grill. I don't know if I made a video on this. I don't know if I made a video on the grill, but I painted the grill black. Took the bumper off. And actually I didn't take the bumper off. I covered it with just masking tape and covered the chrome. I wanted to keep the chrome. And yeah, just matte black classy dip. But now I'll open the trunk. Alright, I think I said trunk, but I meant the hood. But yeah, sticker bound my engine cover. I was bored. Nothing really going on. And as you can see, I'm missing my intake right there, which I actually moved. So instead of coming from where it's supposed to go up and over here, I actually moved it down here. But yeah, if you want to do something like this, so as you can see, I have a throttle body spacer right there, and then the throttle body. A gasket. There's another gasket, a coupler, a 90, another coupler, another 90. If you can see that right there. And another coupler, and then a 3-inch length straight tube, and then a short kind of cone tip. The other one, I think the normal tips everybody puts on there, normal, is too big for it. I hope you guys can hear me talking. If not, I'm probably doing a voiceover. But yeah, so you have a coupler 90, coupler 90, coupler 3-inch length tube, and then the filter. And I just kept this on there just so can still get cool air back there, cool off the engine a little bit, or whatever's back there. What's that transmission looks like? So for the tubing that came off the filter, the original filter, I put just some cone filters, one right there, and another one that came off right here. So yeah, that's about all I've done so far. I do have a couple little parts on order, nothing like performance-wise, because there's nothing for it. I do have a throttle. Is that a throttle controller? And I haven't done a video on this yet, but this thing is amazing. Right now I have it on comfort mode and level 9, but there's 4 modes, I believe, 4 or 5 modes. There we go, it's a little better. So if you guys are interested, I can do a video on the install. It's fairly easy. Actually, I have another one on the way. This is just an off-brand one that eBay that came a couple days ago. But I do have the extras coming in. Hopefully, it'll be here in the next few days. But that should be here in a few days. That was the one I originally ordered. This one just came a little faster. And I want the other one because it's like blue. The inside of Sonata, all the lighting is blue anyway. Just wanted to match. But yeah, there's a couple modes here. There's comfort mode, which is P. So P1 is comfort. P2 is sport, I believe. P3 is racing. And then eco. And then normal. And there is... no, it's just that. There's 9 levels, obviously. Usually, I like it on the comfort at level 9. I'm not going through too much gas. But this thing hauls ass. Like, it actually feels like it's supposed to. Like, I can't explain it. It's just, it doesn't feel like a Hyundai sedan. It feels like it's actually wants to move now. That's just on comfort level 9. Sport mode level 9 is actually really good. It takes off like a thoroughbred. Like, it's ridiculous. The race mode level 9 is kind of crazy. It actually scared me a little bit, the takeoff. You can hear the tires spinning. It's ridiculous. So, usually just P1 is good enough for driving around town. P2 is when I'm like bored and want to just drive around, waste some gas. But when the other one comes in, I'll definitely do an install video because that's the one I want to put in. And I'll probably end up giving this away. So maybe if I hit 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 subs, maybe I'll give this one away. I've only had it in a couple of days. Still have everything for it. But yeah, you guys help me hit 1,000 subs. I'll give this away. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. It's at Desmond Crusoe. Let me know what you guys think about everything that's in here. I'll let you know when everything else is on its way. Yeah, that's gonna do it, I guess, for this video. I just want to do a walk around, show you whatever, everything that I had. Yeah, that's gonna do it. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Till next time, I'm out.